Cfmoto clutch kits. We know that Cfmoto benefits very much from clutching. There are a plethora of different versions, kits, manufacturers out there. We don't particularly say that our kit is in any way or shape or form better than the competition, but we would like to clarify a few things that differentiates our kits from the kits out there on the market. When you purchase an RJWC clutch kits for your C4 Z950 Sport, the side-by-side, U-Force 1000, C-Force
850 or 1000.
850 1000, the
or
500.
520.
You get the complete kit. We don't have different stages, we don't have different versions, different packages. We have one kit for each model. Every kit is complete, so when you get the kit, it looks sort of something like this. Let's see if we can.
It's packed really nice in
It's
there.
really packed really nice, really well in a very sturdy box. And you get, maybe you can explain what each part is. This is
A spring.
Yeah, this is a plastic bag,
Yeah.
also included. But that's the primary spring.
Yeah.
You get
everything included basically.
Yeah.
You have a shim ring for the primary spring. You have a bolt to get the sheaves apart for removing the belt. We also have we have powder coated these in a few different colors. I think this is called
Desert Tan.
a military color.
You also get weights, and these are tool steel.
Yeah, and they're zinc plated to last a long time. I think these are. Do you have the bag for those? These ones. Yeah, this is 18 grams a piece.
And then we include the secondary spring for use with bigger tires.
And that one is actually, it's something we include in every kit.
Yeah.
It's not something you need to use, but we assume that if you install a clutch kit, you have bigger tires on your Cfmoto.
So somewhere around 27 inch or bigger, we recommend to use this. If not, just leave it in the box for whenever you get bigger tires for your machine.
Yep.
And then
we have this little gemstone. It's our, it's kind of a crown jewel. It's a helix.
And it's hard anodized. Let's see if you can see. It can focus on this one. Yeah, we're too pretty. And this one is precision machined, hard anodized, and it only has one slot.
We don't want to make this a bit of a hassle for you as a customer to install this, because if you have 4-5 different holes for the spring, it will only complicate things. So we try to keep it simple.
Yeah, and we tested this a lot, so we have found a setting that works for 95% of the cases. If you are one of those that want to do a lot of adjusting, testing, for whatever reason, this might not be the kit for you, but for 95% of the customers out there, this is the perfect kit.
As David said, there are other suppliers that
Yeah.
sell parts separately, where you can put your own kit together.
Yeah.
You can have it extremely specifically made for you, but we can't have it that way, and we don't want to have it that way for several reasons.
I'm not saying that any of the other kits out there are in any way bad. They are. Most of the kits out there are really good. They are great. We don't say that our kit is in any way better than anyone else's, but it's a different take on the whole thing. We have a complete kit. You get everything included, specific for that particular machine. So that's why we don't have a kit that fits a plethora of different machines. So we have the kits we have right now, and we are releasing more kits along the way.